In previous video we have talked about the managers. Now in this video let's see something very nice. Okay, for example, let me have this Windows. Okay, this Windows has two articles, but we do not know how we should know that these articles are in category of Windows, or these articles have the Windows category. Okay, let's see this, or let's solve this problem. In category, in the category, let's have it H3 here. H3, and H3 a class of, well, alert primary. Okay, let's have something testy or test. Okay, now I think the text should be in the center, text center, and instead of this, well, I want to have the category or title. Windows. And if I have the Linux, it will show the Linux. If I have the science, well, all the things related to that here will be shown. Okay, it is one thing, it is one problem we had here. Now, for example, in article 4 we have here, but here we do not have the date. We have to see the date here as well. Okay, we have to show the date here. So, and the detail.html, let's have after this title, I want to have like the time tag article.publish. Okay, the date is also shown here, date and time. Okay, this one also solved. In article 4, you just see here like one line ends here and the other here, the other in this part, and like this, the nothing is, well, justified. Okay, nothing is looks good, so we have to justify this part. Let me have the CSS. I want to have the text align as justify. When I press the refresh button, it will work. Okay, everything is justified. So the date is here, the